getting for our viewers right here on Times Now. This one regarding NRC, the Supreme Court has issued a notice to the central government as well as the Election Commission in the petition seeking updation of the National Register of Citizens for Tripura. In fact, the petition has also sought directions for fencing of the Bangladesh-Tripura border and deportation of the illegal immigrants. Let's go across to Sneha. Sneha, get us the details. Sneha, if you're there with us, if you can get us the details of the notices issued to both the Centre as well as the Election Commission regarding NRC.
The People's Front of Tripura, they have filed a petition today seeking the updation in the electoral list of the state of Tripura, saying that there are a lot of illegal immigrants who have settled in Tripura and has actually changed the demography of the state. They not only want the updation, but also they are pushing for deportation of such immigrants.
Absolutely. Remember, after Assam now, Tripura's regional party has come up with a huge push. They want an NRC to be updated in Tripura as well, saying that there is a huge influx of Bangladeshi illegal immigrants in the state of Tripura. And after Assam, it is Tripura's NRC which ought to be updated. In fact, regarding that petition which has been filed in the Supreme Court today has issued notices to both the central government and the Election Commission seeking this update of the National Register of Citizens for Tripura. In fact, this petition has also sought directions for fencing of the Bangladesh-Tripura border and deportation of illegal immigrants. Is there any time frame, Sneha, which may have been put for the reply of the central government and the Election Commission regarding NRC? Because we all know how politically this is a huge issue. Sneha?
Certainly, it would be interesting to see that what Central Government and Election Commission reply to the petition filed by People's Front of Tripura, because as we know that in the last hearing on Rohingya deportation, the Supreme Court did not interfere. So it would be quite interesting to know that also the central government has been pressing for updating NRC. It first started with Assam, and now it might go to Tripura. So the replies from Centre and the Election Commission should be quite interesting on this.
Absolutely. The Centre, it does seem, doesn't it, Sneha? It does seem that the Centre is likely to favour an updation of the NRC in Tripura as well, considering the BJP all along has been saying that it is essential. It was also one of the poll planks, remember, in the states as well during the assembly elections, where the BJP candidates had said that fencing is required, especially in the state of Tripura, especially in the state of Assam. The issue of fencing had come up. So there is a big possibility that after Assam, that Tripura may just be the next state to update the list of NRC, which is essentially the National Register of Citizens for Tripura. However, it is going to be quite interesting to see how this entire process is going to be carried out in Tripura if the central government and the Election Commission give the go-ahead. Because remember, when it was being carried out in the state of Assam, there were several issues which had come up. A lot of hiccups had come up when it came to implementing and also making this list, because there were several people who said that due to the lack of proper documentation, they were today being told that they are not Indian citizens, that they are not going to be part of the NRC due to technical grounds. And there are several grounds which the state government in Assam is already trying to figure out as to how they can update it. The process is, of course, going to be a long one. It is not going to be done overnight. It takes about a year, at least it took in Assam to complete the entire process. If this process is to begin in Tripura, and that is the big push that the state government, remember, Biplab Deb, whom you can see on your screens, the Chief Minister belongs to the ruling party in the centre as well. Biplab Deb now wants a similar NRC to be carried out. There is already one. He wants that updated, saying that of late there has been a huge influx of Bangladeshi illegals into the state of Tripura, causing a law and order situation. And those are the grounds that the Tripura government too has appealed to the Supreme Court, seeking an updation of the NRC in Tripura after Assam. Right now, as things stand currently, the Supreme Court has issued a notice to the central government and the Election Commission. So after Assam, will Tripura be next? Times Now will keep a